Which gland acts as both endocrine and exocrine? Option 1, pituitary, Option 2, adrenal, Option 3, pancreas, Option 4, ovaries. The answer is, Option 3, pancreas. What causes the growth of tendrils in pea plants? Option 1, effect of light, Option 2, effect of gravity, Option 3, rapid cell division in tendriller cells in contact with the support, Option 4, rapid cell divisions in tendriller cells that are away from the support. The answer is, Option 3, rapid cell division in tendriller cells in contact with the support. What substance triggers the fall of mature leaves and fruits from plants? Option 1, auxin, Option 2, gibberellins, Option 3, abscisic acid, Option 4, cytokinin. The answer is, Option 3, abscisic acid. What is the number of spinal nerves in human beings? Option 1, 33 pairs, Option 2, 32 pairs, Option 3, 31 pairs, Option 4, 34 pairs. The answer is, Option 3, 31 pairs. Which structure protects the brain from external shocks? Option 1, pericardium, Option 2, pleura, Option 3, cerebrospinal fluid, Option 4, dura mater. The answer is, Option 3, cerebrospinal fluid. What is used for the artificial ripening of fruits? Option 1, ethylene, Option 2, auxin, Option 3, gibberellins, Option 4, abscisic acid. The answer is, Option 1, ethylene. Which hormone controls the basal metabolic rate in animals? Option 1, oxytocin, Option 2, aldosterone, Option 3, adrenal, Option 4, thyroxine. The answer is, Option 4, thyroxine. What is the longest cell in the human body? Option 1, liver cell, Option 2, nerve cell, Option 3, muscle cell, Option 4, reproductive cell. The answer is, Option 2, nerve cell. Which part of the brain controls respiration, heartbeat, and peristalsis? Option 1, cerebrum, Option 2, cerebellum, Option 3, medulla oblongata, Option 4, pons. The answer is, Option 3, medulla oblongata. What is the center for regulating body temperature? Option 1, pons, Option 2, hypothalamus, Option 3, cerebellum, Option 4, thalamus. The answer is, Option 2, hypothalamus. Which part of the brain controls posture and balance? Option 1, cerebellum, Option 2, cerebrum, Option 3, pons, Option 4, medulla oblongata. The answer is, Option 1, cerebellum. Which of the following is not a plant hormone? Option 1, auxin, Option 2, gibberellins, Option 3, insulin, Option 4, cytokinin. The answer is, Option 3, insulin. What is the functional gap between two neurons called? Option 1, impulse, Option 2, dendrite, Option 3, axon, Option 4, synapse. The answer is, Option 4, synapse. Which plant hormone promotes dormancy in seeds and buds? Option 1, auxin, Option 2, gibberellins, Option 3, cytokinin, Option 4, abscisic acid. The answer is, Option 4, abscisic acid. What is the geotropic behavior of roots in plants? Option 1, positively geotropic, Option 2, negatively geotropic, Option 3, positively phototropic, Option 4, none of these. The answer is, Option 1, positively geotropic. Which plant hormone promotes cell division? Option 1, auxin, Option 2, gibberellin, Option 3, cytokinin, Option 4, abscisic acid. The answer is Option 3, cytokinin. Which nerves transmit impulses from the central nervous system towards muscle cells? Option 1, sensory nerves, Option 2, motor nerves, Option 3, relay nerves, Option 4, cranial nerves. The answer is Option 2, motor nerves. Which part of the nervous system controls reflex activities of the body? Option 1, brain, Option 2, spinal cord, Option 3, cerebrum, Option 4, cerebellum. The answer is Option 2, spinal cord. Which of the following acts as both endocrine and exocrine glands? Option 1, pancreas, Option 2, thyroid, Option 3, adrenal, Option 4, liver. The answer is Option 1, pancreas. What are the leaves of mimosas sensitive to? Option 1, light, Option 2, smell, Option 3, touch, Option 4, heat. The answer is Option 3, touch. What does a student's hand pulling away from a flame represent? Option 1, a response, Option 2, a stimulus, Option 3, an impulse, Option 4, an effector. The answer is Option 2, a stimulus. Which statement about receptors is correct? Option 1, gustatory receptors detect taste while olfactory receptors detect smell, Option 2, both gustatory and olfactory receptors detect smell, Option 3, auditory receptors detect smell and olfactory receptors detect taste, Option 4, olfactory receptors detect taste and gustatory receptors smell. The answer is Option 1, gustatory receptors detect taste while olfactory receptors detect smell. Which gland acts as both endocrine and exocrine? Option 1, adrenal, Option 2, pituitary, Option 3, thyroid, Option 4, pancreas. The answer is Option 4, pancreas. What substance triggers the fall of mature leaves and fruits from plants? Option 1, auxin, Option 2, cytokinin, Option 3, gibberellin, Option 4, abscisic acid. The answer is Option 4, abscisic acid. What is the name of the elastic bag-like structure where the two oviducts in a human female unite? Option 1, vagina, Option 2, uterus, Option 3, fallopian tube, Option 4, cervix. The answer is Option 2, uterus. Which of the following diseases is transmitted sexually? Option 1, Kala-Azar, Option 2, jaundice, Option 3, cholera, Option 4, syphilis. The answer is Option 4, syphilis. Which of the following is a contraceptive? Option 1, copper T, Option 2, condom, Option 3, diaphragm, Option 4, all of these. The answer is Option 4, all of these. What is the process called when an animal is cut into pieces and each piece grows into a complex organism? Option 1, budding, Option 2, fragmentation, Option 3, spore formation, Option 4, regeneration. The answer is Option 4, regeneration. What is the portion on which grafting is done and provides the roots? Option 1, stalk, Option 2, scion, Option 3, both A and B, Option 4, none of these. The answer is Option 1, stalk. Where does fertilization occur in human females? Option 1, uterus, Option 2, cervix, Option 3, oviduct. Option 4, none of these. The answer is, option 3, oviduct. How does a growing fetus derive nutrition from the mother? Option 1, uterus. Option 2, fallopian tube. Option 3, placenta. Option 4, cervix. The answer is, option 3, placenta. What is the typical puberty age in human males? Option 1, 8 to 10. Option 2, 10 to 12. Option 3, 12 to 14. Option 4, 14 to 16. The answer is, option 3, 12 to 14. From which part of the flower do fruits develop? Option 1, stamen. Option 2, stigma. Option 3, ovary. Option 4, ovule. The answer is, option 3, ovary. What is the purpose of an IUCD? Option 1, vegetative propagation. Option 2, contraception. Option 3, increasing fertility. Option 4, avoiding miscarriage. The answer is, option 2, contraception. Which unicellular organism reproduces by budding? Option 1, hydra. Option 2, planaria. Option 3, yeast. Option 4, spirogyra. The answer is, option 3, yeast. Which organism does not reproduce by spore formation? Option 1, penicillium fungus. Option 2, yeast fungus. Option 3, mucor fungus. Option 4, rhizopus fungus. The answer is, option 2, yeast fungus. What causes the rapid spreading of bread mold on slices of bread? Option 1, presence of large number of spores in air and presence of moisture and nutrients. Option 2, presence of large number of thread-like branched hyphae and formation of round-shaped sporangia. Option 3, presence of large number of spores in air and presence of large number of thread-like branched hyphae. Option 4, presence of moisture and nutrients and formation of round-shaped sporangia. The answer is, option 1, presence of large number of spores in air and presence of moisture and nutrients. What is the method of asexual reproduction in Spirogyra? Option 1, breaking up of filaments into smaller bits. Option 2, division of a cell into many cells. Option 3, division of a cell into 2 cells. Option 4, formation of a large number of buds. The answer is, option 1, breaking up of filaments into smaller bits. Why do offsprings produced by asexual reproduction show greater similarities? Option 1, asexual reproduction involves only one parent and does not involve gametes. Option 2, asexual reproduction involves 2 parents and involves gametes. Option 3, asexual reproduction involves 2 parents and does not involve gametes. Option 4, asexual reproduction involves only one parent and involves gametes. The answer is, option 4, asexual reproduction involves only one parent and involves gametes. What is the process of cell division into several cells during reproduction in Plasmodium called? Option 1, fragmentation. Option 2, budding. Option 3, multiple fission. Option 4, binary fission. The answer is, option 3, multiple fission. How is the number of chromosomes in parents and offsprings of a species maintained constant? Option 1, doubling of chromosomes after zygote formation. Option 2, halving of chromosomes during gamete formation. Option 3, doubling of chromosomes after gamete formation. Option 4, halving of chromosomes after gamete formation. The answer is, option 2, halving of chromosomes during gamete formation. Which cut piece of a planaria worm can regenerate into a complete worm? Option 1, only the head. Option 2, only the tail. Option 3, only the middle section. Option 4, any piece with part of the central nervous system. The answer is, Option 4, any piece with part of the central nervous system. Why do chromosomes remain constant in both parents and offsprings? Option 1, chromosomes get doubled after zygote formation. Option 2, chromosomes get doubled after gamete formation. Option 3, chromosomes get halved during gamete formation. Option 4, chromosomes get halved after gamete formation. The answer is option 3, chromosomes get halved during gamete formation. Which structures in the human male reproductive organs are responsible for making sperms and seminal fluid? Option 1, prostate gland and vas deferens. Option 2, seminal vesicles and urethra. Option 3, testes and prostate gland. Option 4, testes and seminal vesicles. The answer is option 4, testes and seminal vesicles. Which organism can reproduce by both budding and regeneration? Option 1, Spirogyra. Option 2, Hydra. Option 3, Bryophyllum. Option 4, Paramecium. The answer is option 2, Hydra. Why is reproduction essential for living organisms? Option 1, to keep the individual organism alive. Option 2, to fulfill their energy requirement. Option 3, to maintain growth. Option 4, to continue the species generation after generation. The answer is option 4, to continue the species generation after generation. What is the most remarkable characteristic of planaria? Option 1, hibernate. Option 2, survive without air. Option 3, generate bioluminescence. Option 4, regenerate. The answer is option 4, regenerate. How does Bryophyllum digrammationum reproduce? Option 1, vegetative propagation. Option 2, budding. Option 3, fission. Option 4, fragmentation. The answer is option 1, vegetative propagation. What type of reproduction is budding in Hydra? Option 1, apoptosis. Option 2, sexual reproduction. Option 3, asexual reproduction. Option 4, none of the above. The answer is option 3, asexual reproduction. Which of the following is not a method of vegetative propagation? Option 1, grafting. Option 2, cutting. Option 3, plasmogenesis. Option 4, layering. The answer is option 3, plasmogenesis. What is one change associated with sexual maturation in boys? Option 1, loss of milk teeth. Option 2, increase in height. Option 3, cracking of voice. Option 4, weight gain. The answer is option 3, cracking of voice. What event marks the onset of the reproductive phase in human females? Option 1, growth of body. Option 2, changes in hair pattern. Option 3, change in voice. Option 4, menstruation. The answer is option 4, menstruation. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to watch the complete MCQ question bank video available on my channel. Please share, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications about future videos.